Hi, this is Nelson with ACRE Real Estate Consultants here in Lexington, South Carolina in my new listing 114 Pebble Stone Drive in the Hearthstone neighborhood. It's a small neighborhood. It's established. It is also a lakefront neighborhood as well. You do have some lake views from this home, and it's a fantastic floor plan with 4,001 square feet, 4 full bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms. As you can see behind me, this very custom kitchen with this awesome counter island. Bar area, and just a lot of details to look over here. Formal dining room, has an office, and also has a pool on this 0.65 acre lot. So you need to check this home out. Let me know if you have any questions about the home and if any other properties that you see on my website. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.